And why would I be out walking in the storm and now it's starting to rain? Well, because I have an accountability partner. Good morning everyone, this is Marlene Christensen from Denmark. Monday morning, out walking in a storm. Now, why would I do that? Well, I have to get my exercise, right? And today I want to talk a little bit about accountability and reaching your goals. It's really important that you keep moving forward in giant leaps or in baby steps. Sometimes it's good to take a giant leap, sometimes it's good to take baby steps, but the important thing is that you are moving forward consistently. And why would I be out walking in the storm and now it's starting to rain? Well, because I have an accountability partner. I don't know if you can see him. Here he is, out of the dark. He will make sure to get me out of bed and put on my thick coat and go out in all kinds of weather. Whether it's storming or even in a lightning storm we've been out. Just have to do it, right? So my tip for you today, if you want to reach your goals, you have to get some kind of accountability. It could be one partner or it could be a group. I would recommend a group actually. A group where you're all moving together forward to same kind of goal, where you can declare what you're going to do and then you'll have to show it, right? So it doesn't matter what kind of goal it is. It could be getting more exercise, it could be working on your relationship, it could be building a business. Get some people on board, find some people that are like-minded, or get a dog if you want to get more fresh air and exercise. Find someone who can hold you accountable. And I would love to see a video from you or a comment from you on what your tip on being accountable and moving forward to your goals is. So I hope to see you or see your comments too. And I wish you all a it's getting really stormy here now, so I better finish the video. Bye bye. Thank you for listening or watching this content. I hope it has brought you some value. I hope it's been inspiring or motivating or given you some kind of new idea to maybe get out of a rut or maybe really go and crush it. Listen, I'm just an ex-computer programmer who got into a car crash back in 2001, and it took me several years to get out of that. And during that time I studied everything there was to study about spirituality and personal growth, and finally I found my way to finding my passion, and that is online marketing and online business building. That's a platform that I really love to help inspire people to create the life and the freedom that they want in their life and build a legacy and impact the world for the better. Now, if you want to follow me on this journey, you can find me on social media or go to my blog askmarilena.com. That's askmarilena.com. And I hope to see you in another episode. Bye for now.